Alright, here's part 2 of Lab 5. And as part 1 was going off, I was explaining the error here with creating this registry. I was actually logged into the root access of my XP machine instead of my interpreter. So all I did was exit out of there, and we're going to recreate this registry key. So bear with me. Okay, we have successfully created our registry key. So we're going to go verify that it was created on the XP machine. And here it is. This was the file path of local machine, software, Microsoft Windows, current version, and run. Alright, now that that's created, we're going to start our Hacker Defender program. Alright, so what we're going to do is execute a file xdf 100 execute file. And just like the command prompt, you want to interact and completely hide it. Okay, so now that we are running our Hacker Defender, all of our compromising files should be erased. So, well, not erased, just hidden. Go back to our Windows and System 32 folder where our files were being housed. And as you can see, our HX dev folder is hidden from view. Let's go to our processes. And as you can see, our netcat executable process is not running. Excuse me, I keep saying it's not running. It's running, but it's hidden. And let's check our services. As I said, my service was renamed to Windows X100, which is hidden from sight. And let's check our registry. And we are in the same path, and it is hidden from view. So it's safe to say that our Hacker Defender has successfully hidden all of our incriminating files. Okay, now Now that we see that it works, you may be wondering how to stop it. So what we're going to do, we're going to log back into our shell access and execute a file, give our command prompt, interact and hide it. Alright, and now we're going to stop the process. So I'm going to net stop, and as I said, my service was named Windows X 100. Now that service has stopped, our Hacker Defender should have closed down, and we should be able to see all of our incriminating files again. So let's go check those. System 32. And here's our Hacker Defender folder. Let's go back to our registry, and here's our netcat registry key. So let's check to see if we can see if anything is listening on here. We don't have anything listening. So now that our Hacker Defender service has stopped, let's go ahead and start it again. So we're going to exit out to our interpreter. We're going to execute a file. So all of our Hacker Defender netcat files should be hidden. And as you can see, our hxdef is not here anymore. Let's go to our registry. Our netcat is gone. Look at our processes. We do not have a netcat process. So the next thing that we want to do is to restart this XP machine and to test to see if our backdoor will work and see if we still have access. So as of right now, we do not need interpreter anymore. I'm just gonna Open up another terminal while my XP machine is coming back up. And what I'm going to do here is use my netcat backdoor. See if this works. Well, while this is booting back up, I can go ahead and type the command in. It's going to be netcat 92.168.0.19 port 6333. Alright. Wait for it to load all the way up. Let's go ahead and verify our IP address again. Which is the same as before. Let's go ahead and try our back door. And it works. We are into our C drive, documents and settings on our XP machine. So let's go ahead and change directories and get back to our system32 in our HX dev folder. So we're going to change directory to Windows system32 HX dev. And we're going to get a list of everything that's in there, which is our executable, our configuration file, and our netcat file. Alright, so that shows that our backdoor, in which we use netcat for, it does work. And just to make sure that we are still connected through that port, I'm going to go ahead and transfer another file to show that it works through the backdoor as well. So I'm going to go ahead and netcat listen on port 6333. I'm going to send, let's find another file to send. Just finding. Let's use decom config. So we're going to navigate that file path. System32. Decom config. Exe. So now our port is back open. And it is requesting this new file. So let's open up another terminal. Let's receive this file. So to receive it, we're going to netcat 92.168.0.19 port 6333. And we're going to receive decom config. Okay, now let's check my root folder. See if it's come through. And here's my decom config executable file. So I have demonstrated that you can use Hacker Defender and netcat together to maintain access to a victim machine with the use of these rootkits, and also how the backdoor works.